In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Registry Edit Cleaner Registry Easy. Okay, we're going to start a free scan. Just click on this orange button here that says click here to start a free scan. It's going to pop up a security warning. Go ahead and click run. Okay, it's downloading the program now. Okay, it's going to pop up another security warning. Go ahead and click on run. Okay, after it downloads the program, it's going to start the setup program. Click next, accept the agreement, next, 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 and then click on install. Then click finish and it will automatically run the program for you. Alright, so I'm going to show you how easy it is to do a scan and repair any errors that you may have in your Windows registry. So click on this button at the bottom that says Scan Now. Before you click on the Scan Now button, make sure Select All is selected. It will be by default. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video while it's doing a scan of my registry. Okay, it's finished scanning my registry and it's found 493 problems. All you have to do to fix all these problems is click the repair button. So I'm going to go ahead and click that now. Okay, it's going to pop up this warning telling me that I haven't registered the program, so it's not going to fix all of the errors that it found in my registry. I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. Let me try that again. Click on repair, then I'm going to click continue. Okay, it's going to pop up this window that's going to tell me it only cleaned 7 detected problems out of the 493, and that's because I haven't registered the program, so it's not going to clean every single error in my registry. Okay, I'm going to show you some other cool features of this program. Now, this is quite a nice program because it's quite a bit more than a simple registry cleaner. It also has this evidence cleaner feature, where this is useful because whenever you're browsing the internet or whatever you're doing, when you're using a lot of programs, there's always a recent files menu item that stores all the recent files that you've worked on. There's whenever you browse the internet, it saves all of your history. Whenever you run a program, whenever you use a run feature, start and then run, it saves that. So just by using your computer every day, it stores quite a bit of information about what you're doing. So this is cool because it will erase all of those files, all of the cache from the Internet Explorer, from browsing the internet that you've built up. You know, this is useful for more than just privacy reasons. It's very useful because one of the first things I do whenever I'm helping someone clean up their computer is I clear their cache, because there's always a ton of data that's downloaded and is kept around in your system that you have absolutely no use for, and it's just slowing down your computer. So simply by doing this and cleaning up your computer is going to make it faster, just browsing the internet and so on. Um, okay. Uh, another cool feature is a junk file cleaner. It's going to find any files that are needed, and you're going to have the option to delete them to clean up some space on your hard drive. There's also a duplicate cleaner feature that will allow you to find duplicate files on your computer. This is useful once again if you're running low on disk space. Okay, another area of the program is the backups. Now, it's very important to do a registry backup before you repair any problems. Note that it will automatically do this for you whenever it attempts to repair your registry, but it's also useful to click on full backup and do a full backup of your registry. Another cool feature is the restore point. You can create a restore point, and this is using a feature of Windows. This is extremely important. I highly suggest you create a restore point before making any changes using this program. Basically, what that will allow you to do is go back in time to the point in time before you made any of the changes, and your computer will be exactly the same. Okay, there's this IE tools feature. There's the browser helper objects manager. This basically will remove any add-ons or any unwanted programs running within Internet Explorer that you have no use for. Okay, there's the IE restore, and this will allow you to, if you've installed any, if you've been downloading music or downloading a lot of programs on the internet, most likely some of them might have messed with your Internet Explorer or installed some programs that you don't want, such as adware or malware. Using this feature will allow you to kind of to take back your browser, Internet Explorer, and it will restore a lot of the default settings that comes with Internet Explorer. So if you're having any problems with your browser, Internet Explorer, I would just click select all and then click restore, and then go ahead back and change your default home page or any other settings that were specific that you wanted. Okay, I'm going to go to the optimize system feature. Now there's quite a few tools in here to optimize your system. I'm not going to go into all of them, um, but if your computer is slow, I would highly recommend using this feature and going through each section, reading each section carefully, and running whichever one may be suitable for whatever problems you might have. Okay, the next feature that I'm going to go into is the system tools. Now there's a startup manager and the uninstall manager. The startup manager is an extremely useful tool where if you're starting up your computer and it's taking forever to once you log in to boot up and it's showing the hourglass for a couple of minutes before you can even use your computer. Um, Basically, what's happening is there's a setting in the Windows registry that tells Windows what programs to run whenever you start your computer or a user logs in. Now, quite often, if you've been using your computer for any length of time whatsoever, you're going to have several programs that are automatically starting and running in the background that are completely useless and unnecessary and are just taking up valuable memory and valuable resources, and it's just making you wait a couple of minutes when you could start using your computer right away. For example, there's QuickTime or Real Media Player that are nuances that always try to start up whenever your computer starts up, and there's absolutely no reason to have them start up. So to fix that, all you have to do is check a box for whichever program you see in here that does not need to be started, and just click Disable Selected. Or you can also click Remove Selected. Now I recommend choosing Disable Selected because it will make sure that it will not allow that program to automatically start up again. Now be careful though. There are going to be some programs that you do want to start up automatically, such as uh, messenger programs like AOL Instant Messenger, Windows Live Messenger, um, and so on. Just go through, and if you don't recognize a program, it's probably safe to remove it or disable it. The next item is the uninstall manager. Now, just a quick overview. This will, if you try to uninstall any programs through the add and remove programs and you're having problems with it not fully removing, just use this feature, click on it, and click on uninstall or remove. And if you can't uninstall it, just remove it, and you won't see that program in the list anymore, and it won't bug you. That's about it. I hope you enjoyed this review of the Registry Cleaner Registry Easy.